What is the easiest soap recipe for those who are interested in making cold processed soap? The simplest and most easiest one would be 100% olive oil. Literally, you just, however much you want to make, you want to make 16 ounces of soap, you want to make 4 ounces of soap, whatever it is, you put it in soap calc, which I'll have a link to soap calc in the description if you want to know what soap calc is. Leave me a comment, let me know, I'll do a video on that. But you just put it in soap calc so you can figure out how much lye you'll actually need for your soap, and you would use 100% olive oil. The soap bar is going to be very moisturizing. Now, it will be soft in the beginning just because when you're using liquid oils, your soap bar will tend to be soft and it takes a little longer to harden. So with 100% olive oil soap bars, usually it's best to wait about 6 months before you can actually use that soap, simply because it is going to take some time for it to get hard, simply because it was used, olive oil was used as a single oil, the only oil that was used, and it's a liquid oil, so it makes a softer bar. Now the bar is going to be extra moisturizing, like moisturizing is going to be on like 100 because it is olive oil, and olive oil is a really good oil for moisturizing our skin. Now, if you're looking for a soap bar that you can use in 4 to 6 weeks, which is the standard cure time, then a good recipe would be olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil, and shea butter. And I'll include the recipe in the description below, or maybe in the comments. It'll be in the description. But those oils are very good for, like, they create a very good balanced soap bar. Olive oil is going to give you that moisture. Usually I have about 50 to 60% of olive oil. Coconut oil is going to give you a bubbly, big bubble lather, and it's also going to be highly cleansing for you. So coconut oil, like, I feel like is a must in any soap bar. Castor oil is going to add to those bubbles and help stabilize the bubbles with the coconut oil. They work really good together. Shea butter is going to add more moisture to your skin, and it's going to add to the hardness of the bar because shea butter is a butter. Coconut oil is an oil that is hard at room temperature, or pretty much solid at room temperature. When you're dealing with oils or butters that are solid at room temperature, you're going to tend to have a much harder bar as it cures. So having the shea butter and the coconut oil is great. And then you also have the olive oil and the castor oil. So you got two liquid and you have two solid soap bars. So you got a perfectly balanced bar. You really can't go wrong with those. Soap bar is going to be amazing. The lather is going to be amazing. It's going to be very cleansing and very moisturizing at the same time. Now, if you want like a step-by-step guide on how to make soap and you want to be able to make it live with an experienced soap maker, knock, i.e. me, then you can check the comments and you can check out the soap making classes that I have. Thank you.